Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the important role of storybook reading in supporting your children language and literacy development. This topic highlights how simple classroom activities can create meaningful learning experience for children.
Storybook reading is one of the most widely used and valuable activities in early childhood education. Through storybook, children are introduced to new vocabulary, sentence structure, and ways of expressing ideas. In addition, this activity engendering imagination, attention, and engagement, which are essential elements in early learning development.
Children develop language skill most effectively through meaningful and interactive experience. Storybook reading provides a context where children can connect spoken language with real-life situation. By listening, observing, and responding during the activity, children gradually build their understanding of language in a natural and meaningful way.
However, not all storybook reading activities lead to effective learning outcomes. In some cases, reading sessions are limited to simply reading the text without meaningful interaction. As a result, children may not fully engage with the content or develop deeper understanding from the activity.
This study focuses on how storybook reading is implemented in early childhood classrooms, particularly how teachers interact with children during the activity. It examines the strategies used by teachers to cue discussion, ask questions, and encourage participation. The research also explores how teacher professional knowledge influences the quality of interaction. This includes how teachers respond to children's ideas, expand their thinking, and support their language arts. By focusing on this aspect, the study aims to understand how teaching practice during storybook reading can effectively support children's language and literacy development.
This study is based on the idea that language development is closely connected to social interaction. According to social-cultural learning theory, children learn through communication and interaction with more knowledgeable individuals such as teachers. Through quiet interaction, children are not only exposed to new vocabulary but also learn how language is used in meaningful contexts. Teachers play an important role in scaffolding children's learning by asking questions, giving feedback, and engineering discussion. In this process, learning becomes more than just receiving information. It becomes an active and collaborative experience where children contrast understanding through interaction and participation.
Storybook reading should not be seen as a passive activity. Instead, it is an interactive process that involves discussion, questioning, and shared understanding between teacher and children. Through active engagement, children are encouraged to think critically, express their ideas, and connect the story to their own experiences.
In this context, teachers play a crucial role in shaping their learning experience. Their professional knowledge, teaching strategies, and ability to interact with children determine how meaningful the activity becomes. A skilled teacher can transfer a simple storybook reading session into a rich and engaging learning opportunity.
The main objective of this study is to examine how storybook reading and teachers' professional knowledge contribute to improving teaching practice. It also aims to understand how these elements support children's language and literacy development in early childhood education settings.
These studies use a qualitative case study approach to explore teaching and learning processes in depth. The research was conducted in Auckland, New Zealand, focusing on early childhood education settings.
The participants in this study are children aged 3 to 5 years old, along with their teachers. Data were collected through classroom observation, focusing on how teachers and children interact during storybook reading sessions. The study pays close attention to the quality of interaction, including how teachers quick discussions, respond to children, and create opportunities for participants. By using this approach, the research aims to gain a deeper understanding of real classroom practice and how they support children learning.
The findings of the study show that storybook reading plays a significant role in supporting children's language and literacy development. It also reveals that teacher professional knowledge is essential in creating meaningful and effective learning interaction. When teachers actively engage children and apply appropriate strategies, the learning experience becomes more impactful and beneficial.
In conclusion, storybook reading provides valuable opportunities for children to develop language skills through social interaction and cultural context. It supports communication, understanding, and confidence in expressing ideas. Therefore, it is important for teachers to actively guide and support children during the reading process to maximize learning outcomes.
For future research, it is important to explore the role of collaboration between teachers and parents in supporting children's literacy development. Understanding how learning continues both at school and at home can provide deeper insight into effective educational practices.